What's up, guys? I hope you all are well. I am back with part 3. We have everything set up to put my skincare, makeup, toiletries and everything here on the first drawer. Let's get right into it, guys.
I'm the source, stay the course, start revolutions. The teacher,
guys. Okay, guys, I understand. Guys, my listing is spendile. I spent money on my chest of drawer. Now I've been spending money organizing things in my drawer. Guys, but I'm so happy with things are organized regardless. Okay, jewelry set up thingy. Why is it crooked? I thought it was this big. I'm shook for real with the size, because it's something, it was like giving drawer size, and this is ×3 smaller, so I don't know. This is where you put your bracelets, rings. I thought this was this size. Cat has no really boys. This big box for this thing. Yeah, but guys, yeah, but take a lot. It's giving chip. Okay, this is not on. Why is it opening like this? Because funny eat. Like the thing. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry, take a lot. I got it. Yeah, look. For my carpet, was vacuum because Chanel. I thought it was cordless. This part I'm going to use to clean surfaces or to clean my couch, in between the couch. I hope it's strong. This was, how much was this? I think it was $8.99. I hope it's good quality. I really hope it's good quality. But yeah, let me go and see if this will work for my drawer. Let me go and check it out. I have a fate. That divider thing, equality, it's so bad. It is so bad. I understand a jewelry thingy because it's so small. These drawers are really deep. It's gonna retain both items. And kusasa mengivuke finally tested the vacuum to see is it giving what it should give. I am so exhausted. Ngikhathele nje shem. There is no way I'm doing anything else after what I've done today. Ayikho. Engizoyenza nje manje ngizovuka ngiyohlala lapha ngibhala u4 kusofa, cause wow, what a day. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have energy to do my closet clean out. By manje we are down. Battery low. Battery is low. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like if you did. See you guys on the next video. Love you. Bye.